Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
What is up, everybody? It is TCG back again, bringing another video, and today we're gonna be doing some 5M. We're gonna be doing some SAFR. If you guys don't know, this is a role-playing server. I'm along with you guys. I remember SAPS, you know, that kind of went downhill, and then I joined this one. This is pretty fun. We're gonna be doing CIV. I'm gonna be doing a guy who thinks he's rich, but he just really isn't. He has a fake gold paint job. He's just a poser, you could say, I guess. And oh my god, some shit's happening. So yeah, let's see what we could get ourselves caught with. Let's fuel up here. Or at least there was a flight going on. Is there? Yep, no flight. Or actually, it's rattling noise. Jesus. Okay, I need to go see a mechanic. We'll put to the. Then let's just, you know, easy turn around. Like a U-turn. And let's just drive there. What the fuck? God damn it. Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna just get out of here now. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, that charger's broken. That charger is broken. What the fuck is that jank shit you do right there? Who does that? Oh, great. Yeah, you gotta love it. You always use textures. That's bad. Alright, oh my goodness. Alright, we're pulling up we're pulling up to the LS Customs right now. Yeah, I want that quick fix. Alright, have a nice day. Yeah, there's $5. Have fun. Oh, god damn it! God damn it. We'll just get some new paint. Oh Jesus, we'll just get some paint and we're all good. Sometimes for scratches you just need paint. You need that super quick you need that you need that plastic dip. There it is. That's the word I'm looking for. You need that plastic dip. That gold plastic dip. Have you heard of that? Can I see a plane? Oh, there it is. Here, let's park my car here. What a ugly car. Hey, you! Hey!
How are you doing today?
Oh, jeez. I heard you guys are doing flight tours.
Yes, we do.
Oh yeah, I'd like some.
Alright, give me just a second. So the price of this is $100 for 10 minutes.
10 minutes of what?
Flight time around Sandy Shores and Blaine County. On around those two. And then after that we will get a load pass over the airport, and then we'll land. But I gotta give you papers to sign before we do this.
Why? Why? Is it gonna be like papers where you say, oh, you're gonna kill me or whatever? What are these?
They're just to like verify that you're actually on the flight and you're agreeing to flying.
Oh, okay. What's the most expensive one I could get? I'm rich. Can't you tell by my car?
The highest one we got right now is about 300, and that's for almost about 30 minutes of flight time around the whole city.
Oh.
If you want to change your time, you can do that.
Okay, well, I'm gonna check my bank account, check if, I have that right now because, I got $60,000 at my home, but I gotta check my bank account. Oh, just look at that. I got $302. Got $302. Alright, do you guys accept, credit cards?
Yes. Walk over here with me.
Okay, it's in my car, hold on. God damn it. Does he have a goddamn... Does he have a taser? Jesus. Alrighty. I got the credit card right here. Let me just stick it up.
Alright, I'm gonna
Grab
Alright, got it.
credit
I'm just gonna sign it.
card.
Not sign it.
Alright, give me those papers that I need to sign.
Alright, so you're gonna be doing the full 30 minutes, or are you gonna do about 10 lower? It's up to you, whatever time you want.
I'll do 10 minutes. I just want to spend a lot of money.
So whenever you're ready to get up in there, we can do that. You just gotta hand me this paper.
Alright, hold on. I gotta review them. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, sign. There you go.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Okay, buddy. I'm paying you $300, okay? You could, hold it in for a little bit, please. Let's go. I think you should go to the bathroom before we got on this flight. Oh, God.
Alrighty, gonna go ahead.
Does this thing have a parachute? I want to know if I die. If we crash, at least I could deploy. What? What kind of flight is this? What happens if we crash? We're just supposed to die?
Alright, I'm gonna lock some stuff from
God damn, unsafe flight.
Actually, we don't do that parachute stuff unless you pay a lot.
How much is a lot?
Whenever you're ready, costs about $10,000.
Holy shit, Jesus!
Yeah, because it's a plane, It's
Nah, I don't want to get copyrighted.
We got an oil failure sign.
You got a failure sign?
Yeah, we're okay. That should be.
I don't think that's safe. If you get a failure sign.
Yeah, it's not anything else, but I don't know. Last time I've had this, it's been okay. Everything's been okay.
What happened to the flight?
It was just a little bumpy, but we got there safely. Everything's okay. He got his flight time and everything.
God. Yeah, I don't care about flight time. I kind of care about my life.
Yes, exactly. If you want to turn around, we can, but
No, let's go in the air. I trust you, pilot. I don't think it's safe to go over the military base field. Sir, what are you doing?
Hold on, I'm doing some calling and control. Hold on.
God damn it.
ATC.
Can I go, like, can we not go in the water, please? Like, I'm not, if we crash, I'm not trying to, you know, crash in the water.
We're not gonna freaking crash. Alright, they want us to land.
Oh, why?
What we'll do is we're gonna grab another plane, okay?
Why do they want us to land?
Yeah, they want us to land at, Sandy, so we're just gonna keep gear down.
God damn it, why?
We have to, cause it's, ooh. Oh, hey, look, it went off. Nah, I'm gonna keep landing, though. I'm gonna keep landing.
What went off?
No, we should be good.
What went off? Sure? Pilot, sir?
Yes.
What light is off?
The oil light. Everything's off now. We're good.
Okay.
Now we're getting faster. Heck
Okay, yeah. I was scared for a second, you know. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Jesus! I paid $300 for this, okay? I thought this was a luxury plane. Can you, like, not fart? It stinks. Oh. Jesus. God damn. Ugh. God damn it.
Sorry to the turbulence out here today. For emergency landing,
Dude!
on right now.
I'm scared. Please.
Oh my
I'm scared.
God. The landing gear stopped.
It's stuck shut? Please, mister. My life is in your hands. A millionaire's life is in your hands, sir. Why are you going to the water? Come on, turn this thing.
Oh,
Turn this thing.
We gotta get to the airport. Ah, shoot, I didn't do /OC. OC.
Who cares?
Freaking land, we have no gear. We have no gear.
Call 911. Call 911. Call 911.
911 can't do anything in air.
Yeah, they can. They can call their choppers. Call my butler.
Christ.
Call my butler.
Gosh.
Can we, like, why are we going straight into a mountain? You gotta turn this thing, come on! Oh, come on, dude!
Jesus.
We need 911! We need 911!
Jeez, man,
We're losing altitude!
power.
The lights went off! The lights went off! Oh!
Jesus, man.
Dude!